Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda Accord 2012 to 2017, when faced with Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0154, indicates a malfunction within the front air-fuel ratio AF sensor, specifically for Bank 2 Sensor 1. This component is critical as it plays a role in the accurate calculation of the air-to-fuel ratio needed for optimal engine performance. The AF sensor achieves this by maintaining a high temperature through an internal heater, which allows it to function effectively. If this heater fails to activate or maintain the required temperature, the sensor will not operate correctly, leading to increased exhaust emissions. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the internal resistance of the sensor to infer its operational status. A failure in this diagnostic system can trigger a warning and adversely affect vehicle performance, requiring immediate attention. The front AF sensor is crucial for calculating the correct air-fuel mixture entering the engine. Specifically, the AF sensor for Bank 2 Sensor 1 is positioned near the exhaust manifold, where it can accurately measure the exhaust gases. This sensor uses a heater to reach and maintain a high operating temperature, which allows for precise readings of the air-fuel ratio. When the heater fails to heat the sensor element properly, it results in inaccurate readings that affect the vehicle's emissions and engine performance. The PCM, which stands for Powertrain Control Module, assesses the sensor's internal resistance to determine whether it's functioning correctly. If resistance readings indicate a malfunction, the PCM triggers DTC P0154, indicating that the AF sensor heater system is not functioning as required. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0154 error, with the most common being a heater failure in the AF sensor. This may occur if the electric heater within the sensor fails, thus not allowing the sensor to reach the necessary temperature for accurate measurement. Additionally, an element failure within the AF sensor itself could lead to malfunction, impacting its ability to provide correct readings. Lastly, an open circuit in the VSB2 line, which connects the heater to the PCM, can prevent electrical current from flowing properly, leading to sensor failure. It is important to thoroughly investigate each of these factors to identify the root cause of the DTC. When DTC P0154 is present, the most noticeable symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. This alert signifies that the vehicle's onboard diagnostics have detected an issue with the air-fuel ratio sensor. Drivers may also experience poor engine performance, including rough idling or hesitations during acceleration, as the sensor's failure can disrupt the ideal air-fuel mixture. In addition, it can lead to increased emissions, which not only affects environmental standards, but may also result in failing emissions testing. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent further damage to the engine and emission control systems. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0154 involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle for at least 1 minute. It is crucial to monitor the engine coolant temperature, as this can affect whether the sensor is operational. If the engine coolant temperature is at or below 14 degrees Fahrenheit, -10 degrees Celsius, the idle period should be extended to at least 4 minutes. During this time, the PCM continuously evaluates the AF sensor's performance, specifically looking at the internal resistance. Assessing these initial parameters helps determine if further diagnostic tests are needed based on the sensor's readings and the ambient conditions. The next step involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to conduct a more in-depth analysis of the vehicle's systems. The HDS allows technicians to access and scan for any active DTCs, providing immediate feedback on any existing issues. At this stage, focus should be placed on analyzing the AF sensor readings to determine its performance. Monitoring parameters, such as the internal resistance of the sensor, can be crucial in diagnosing whether the sensor's heater is functioning properly. If any active DTCs are revealed, they may provide additional insights into related issues that could affect the AF sensor's functioning, enabling a more holistic diagnosis. After completing repairs, it's important to verify that the DTC P0154 has been successfully resolved. The first step in this verification process is to clear any active DTCs from the PCM using the HDS. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle should be conducted to monitor for any recurring issues or the reappearance of the check engine light. During this drive, observe the engine's performance to ensure that it operates within the expected parameters. Only when normal operation is confirmed can it be concluded that the repair was successful, effectively assuring that the sensor and its heating system are functioning optimally. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0154. Regular inspections of the AF sensors can identify potential issues before they escalate into malfunction codes. In addition, consistently monitoring the engine performance can help detect irregularities that might be linked to air-fuel mixture problems. Utilizing high-quality fuel is also crucial, as lower quality fuels may leave deposits that affect the sensor's operation. Keeping a maintenance schedule can help in proactively addressing sensor issues, prolonging the life of the engine, and minimizing emissions. In summary, DTC P0154 signifies a malfunction within the front air-fuel ratio sensor for bank 2, affecting the heating system. Understanding this diagnostic code is essential for effective repairs, as the AF sensor is vital for maintaining optimal engine performance and compliance with emission standards. Regular monitoring and early detection of symptoms can lead to timely repairs, preventing impact on performance and emissions. By adhering to a routine preventive maintenance schedule and addressing issues when they arise, you can ensure the longevity of vehicle systems and compliance with regulations. Regular checks of the AF sensors specifically will help maintain your Honda Accord in peak operating condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.